Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are again in ACME Motorsport and with my friend Matteo Dasso that we will see in another dedicated interview. And you can see this beautiful workshop. This is a kind of Formula Master Formula 2 car that is being converted for a long scope project of autonomous driving development. Something really crazy is going on here. And as usual in his workshop, you've got the most beautiful and crazy builds. Behind me just here you have a Lancia Delta Integrale that is being tuned with like a $500,000 budget to crazy extents. Let me just show you a moment, really quick. So, look at this. This is a full race car. You can see here racing suspension, titanium exhaust, and I learned that they are waiting on gearbox and everything now, and the car looks bonkers, really. This is gonna be so much power. It's incredible that these people decided beautifully to invest this much money on this beast. All the chassis reinforced, and it's in very good company from this Subaru that also is a real beauty. If you get a bit nostalgic and you cannot buy yourself a full Pro Drive resto mode, well, here in ACME they can help you to get something very similar. Very beautiful. Here we have a super drift car, a Focus RS, a very special Corvette, a GT86, Hyundai IN30, and another Subaru here, another 86, beautiful M3 E46, and a formerly Gigi Galli's Lancer Evo. This was an ex-official rally art car, and this is just craziness. I want to show you inside this car. Now it's up for repairs in the transmission, but look at this. Gigi Galli has driven this car, and this is a formerly official car. You see there a Hyundai WRC rear bumper. This is because here in ACME they actually have developed all the electronics for the Hyundai i20 WRC Rally 1 car. So, I mean, this is the real deal. You can't get more than this. And obviously, last but not least, here's my beast. And next to it is Matteo's beast. So, here you see, with and without the hood vents also. Yeah, we have to correct this for Matteo. He's been so busy. He cannot think of anything else than work with so many projects going on. But I do like his livery. It looks very beautiful. And his WRC wing is very cool. This is dry carbon. Yeah, it looks the real deal. So let's come to us. Why? And he's got the sequential gearbox also inside, and his one is a Crew Talk one. So why am I here? Why is my car here? And what are we doing now? So I came here because before leaving for GC, I wanted Matteo's team to give the final touches to my car, because I want to bring the car to the exact spec that I decided and want to promote as the perfect club sport GR Yaris. And then I will be proposing you and selling you all the components to make the car just the same, also with bundles, in a way that you can get the exact same result with zero guesswork. So what are we doing now? First, we are putting some sump guards in the oil sump, in the oil pan, because in this way we will eliminate the problem of having cavitation within the oil pan at high G's and decelerations and curves, and this is frightening me a lot Then we will install finally the Kelford EZ cams that I've had lying in my garage for 1.5 years, but also been very busy. Obviously with the Kelford springs in titanium, retainers also. The retainers are titanium, clearly. And then we're going to install the TCU unit from Syvecs in a way that we can gain control on the differential and the way it works, the central differential. So there was no time for installing mechanical differentials, given the fact that I'm going to be physically living in something like less than a month. Therefore, this is what we could do now. And all of this will be also remapped in the engine with EcuTek. So what we will do is do a map before and a map after, where the only changed things will be, in fact, the cams, the springs and retainers for the engine. So in this way, we will see what, let's say, third-party map can do for a stock car with all the bolt-ons and a 70mm exhaust and our airbox, and what the EZ cam kit can do for you, and EcuTek remap. So we are expecting, playing it safe, to be in the ballpark of 360 brake horsepower, making a safe tune an engine, but still with enough ignition advance to give it, you know, the power and the eagerness of eating up revs that you would like. So this is not mine, but it's another GR, because here there are so many GRs in the workshop. It's like the mecca of GRs, yeah. And this is his hub dyno. So hub dynos are actually superior to, let's say, wheel dynos, because you take out of the equation the tires and the wheels, and this you know, can bring very good benefits of repeatability of what the measurements are, in as much as the tires not always have the perfect grip, and also their grip changes based on the temperature and pressure. So this Rotronics dyno actually makes all the difference in this case. And so many GRs have been down here, and this is just one of them passing through, and a beautiful car making very solid power on its Syvecs. But we will go the EcuTek route in order to see that also, as future dealers, we will be able to give you the same performance that we advertise. So have a great day now. Bye bye.